Today we're mixing a tropical party drink. Though the beverages at some parties require drunk frat guys to stand upside down atop a keg. Other soirees call for a more sophisticated way of imbibing. Enter the punch. Today we're mixing the Tropical Bourbon Punch. Although today we're just mixing for a party of one. Son of a Rick,
hey,
what you doing here?
Just showed up.
Awesome. Make that a party of two. And since my son's here, we're going to turn this solo segment into a plural.
I guess that makes this Victory Shots.
That is correct. Today's shots is Appleton Estate 12-year Jamaican rum.
So why 12 year? That's always like the people are always going 12 years. Why not 11?
That's a good
Is
question.
the whiskey that much more inferior at 11?
Yes.
That last year makes it. It's like
That's right.
You're 20, you can't handle alcohol, but the next day you're 21 and you're good to go.
That's exactly what I was about to say.
Yeah.
Well, here's to a funky shot, son.
I guess you could say shots fired.
Boom. Well, it turned out Son of a Rick really couldn't hold his liquor. But today we are mixing the Tropical Bourbon Punch. It's great for a summer party. Let me show you how it's made before summer is over. It may seem like a lot, but 1 ounce of homemade grenadine. A ½ ounce of simple syrup, and I do recommend homemade. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Get the F out of here. No way. A ½ ounce of pineapple juice. One ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And again, no shot. And 2 ounces of wild turkey bourbon. Yes, it is crafted with conviction. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Crafted with conviction. Oh, conviction. Sounds like a future word of wisdom. Luxardo cherry and a wedge of pineapple with a sword going through the cherry and the pineapple. And that's a Tropical Bourbon Punch. In life, we've all heard the words, practice makes perfect. But does it really? Does perfect really exist? I don't think you should start any task with that mentality. To me, it sounds like you're saying, if I practice really hard now, eventually I'll be perfect and then I can give up. But this isn't the case, is it? Because we never really reach a point in life where we stop learning. There's always room for improvement. Take the guitar. If you were just to practice it with that mindset, the one where you would eventually become perfect, you would just set yourself up for defeat. And at some point, you will just get frustrated because the perfection hasn't set in yet. Newsflash, it won't. But if you strive to get better, you will never stop meeting your goal. So let's change that phrase. Let's throw out practice makes perfect and replace it with practice makes better. You really can't argue with that.
That was harsh.
Whew.
Maybe you liked it, but
It's a sipper, buddy.
that was harsh.
Well, Jamaican rum is funky.
Yeah.
It is.